Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you how to carry out a simple exercise as this one, and this is just a short one. And as I got a data set here where I got the fleet maintenance, and I'm gonna find out specific parts with specific issues. I'm gonna use a repair keyword search to analyze or to determine the cause of failure of the vehicle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a filter to find these specific parts. So if you don't have a filter, as you can see, we don't have a filter yet. So I'm going to use keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus L. We got this filter already. So I'm going to open it, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna find every time you had to fix the shocks or the shock absorber across the entire fleet to see if it's a recurring problem. So we're gonna find out whether we have this recurring problem or we're gonna have more frequency in the failure of these parts. I'm gonna use, or I'm gonna find the shock absorber. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hide everything except the repairs involving shocks. This helps you identify if certain drivers or routes are being too rough on the vehicle. So I'm gonna find the shock absorber. I can use the text filter, then click contains. Then you can type the shocks. Okay, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go directly to the search box here, and then I'm just gonna type the shocks, then enter. Right, as you can see, we got several replaced blown shocks and bent tie rods. It could be tie rod ends or it could be the entire tie rods. And for the blown shocks, it is blown because most of the shocks are filled with gas or gas filled, or either gas filled or a hydraulic filled shock absorber. For heavy vehicles, we use hydraulic fluid to fill inside the shock absorber. So if the shock absorber is leaking and becomes dried up, then we got problems and we have to replace it. We don't repair the shock absorber. So we got several shock absorber here. So we got problems in terms of the shock absorber. So right, so that's how to find whether we have problems in terms of the driver or in terms of the road routes that the driver are driving through every day of on their driving schedules. So we have already found out that we got problems because we have several replaced shock absorbers and tie rods in our vehicles. So this is it for our exercise, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.